Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Apple TV apps data to new Apple ID. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer Apple TV apps data to a new Apple ID, first ensure that both your old and new Apple IDs are set up on your device. Begin by signing out of your current Apple ID on your Apple TV. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Choose your current Apple ID from the list. Select Sign Out to confirm. Next, return to the main Settings menu. Select Users and Accounts again. Now, select Add User. Sign in with your new Apple ID credentials. Once signed in, open the App Store on your Apple TV. Search for the apps you downloaded with your old Apple ID. Download the apps again using your new Apple ID. Note that some apps may not support data transfer or may require additional sign-ins. Check each app to verify if your data has been preserved. For apps that don't automatically transfer data, look for backup options within the app itself. Make sure to update all apps to their latest versions for the best experience. Once completed, your apps should now function under your new Apple ID. Enjoy using your Apple TV with your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.